What's up, everybody? It's Adam with another one of Adam's Adventures. And I hope you guys enjoy this trip to Skylight Arch I did with some of my friends. I'm going to explain real quick how to get there, so if you just want to watch the footage of being there, skip forward in the video. Otherwise, if you know you want to do it, here's some tips on how to get there. You can use Google Maps, and with Verizon service or probably AT&T, you will get good enough reception to use Google Maps to drive all the way out there. But first of all, you need to be by Lone Rock Beach and Lake Powell, not far from where my business Liberty Vacation Rentals is. And you'll need to go south on the 89, past the Arizona-Utah border, and just past Lone Rock Beach and a little gas station in a town called Greenhaven. Then you're gonna take a right turn to exit off the freeway. You'll go over like sort of like a cattle gate on the ground, and then you're gonna be on a dirt road. And you're gonna go down that dirt road, you'll take your second left, which is gonna go back behind a mountain, and you're going to eventually come to two signs, one for Vermilion Cliffs and another one for like the wilderness. You're going to go to the left, and then you're going to stay on the middle road, to stay on the middle of a dirt road. So you go left at the two signs, then you take the middle road, and on that middle road you're going to eventually go under a bunch of power lines. Lots of power lines, and I drive right between them. So you're going to be driving right underneath these legs of these giant power lines. Don't worry, it's safe, safer than it sounds. But you're on a dirt road. I took my Prius when I went the first time. I was a little afraid I might get stuck in the sand because the sand's kind of deep. So it's better if you have an SUV or a truck. So after about a mile of going under these giant power lines, you'll take a right turn going up a hill, and then it's going to get kind of rocky. So I actually had to park my Prius and not go up the rocky incline. But if you have an SUV or like a stronger vehicle, sturdier truck or something like that, go up the incline, and you can drive all the way up to a dirt parking lot, and then you have only a mile hike. Otherwise, you have to park outside of that parking lot, and you'll have like a 2-mile hike each way. But Skylight Arch is really amazing. It's a fun, free trip to do because it's on BLM, that's Bureau of Land Management, BLM land, and for that reason you don't need any park pass. You just need to know how to get there. You can take dogs or pets, and just be careful because you're going to go by some cliff edges on the way, and there is a possibility of falling in. But overall, it's a lot of fun, and you can even take a sneak peek at the backside of the Amangiri Resort, which is like $2,000 a night.
You might even see some celebrities, like me.
All right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like and a share. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hey, right here on YouTube, sign up for Adam's Adventures, totally free. Thanks a lot. We'll see you guys soon. What's up, you guys? We're rolling out to Skylight Arch today. We turned off Highway 89. We're going underneath all these awesome power lines on our way out to Skylight Arch, which is near Vermilion Cliffs. And we're living in Big Water, where our business is at. So this isn't very far away, and you know, we've never seen it yet. We've never done it, but we found it on Google Maps. It's got a 4.7 rating. Only 3 reviews, so not many people have done this yet.
And it's very far into the mountain part, but you have to zigzag into the mountain to get to the mountain area. So the roads have been, most of them have been bad, so you need to go slow under 20 miles an hour and it pulls in your car.
Walking above the Amangiri Resort. That's it down there. A very exclusive and expensive hotel with a swimming pool that wraps around the corner of the mountain, which you might barely be able to see down there. And only about $2,000 a night. So it might be easier for your budget to stay at Liberty Vacation Rentals. There's a forming arch back here, and it is very quiet.